We're live.
Oh, hey now! I'll take it after this. I want to ask the people, y'all, we have a dilemma. Y'all know our brand ambassador needs to figure out what to name her hair. Can you guys give suggestions? She wants a unique girl name for her hair.
Yes.
Then we have come around. We have confetti. We have sprinkles.
I love.
Oh, I love. My name is Chinese. But people said that. Confetti wasn't a good name. I don't know. She's the brand ambassador that changes her hair the most. She has a lot of spice. What about spice? It's spice. That's it. Never mind, y'all. I got you, girl.
And what's your hair's name?
Coco. Her name is Coco. Okay. Because she's chocolatey and good.
Yes. And what's your hair's name?
Lola.
Yes.
That's very
What's your hair's name?
Wow.
Hey. Did you guys name your hair?
Yes.
What's your hair's name? Ooh. Glorious. Oh, yes. Did you guys name your hair?
Yeah.
What's your hair's name? Oh, I love it. What's your hair's name? Hey now. Did you guys name your hair yet? What's your hair's name? Oh, yeah.
I'm Jasmine.
Hey, Jasmine.
This is Stormy.
Oh, Stormy. Okay. What did you name your hair? Ooh, Bonita. Let's see. Did you guys name your hair? Did you guys name your hair?
I did name my hair.
What is your
Camille. Because she's a chameleon.
Oh, yes.
She can do all things.
Yes.
Donna's recipe is strengthens her baby.
Say it. Say it.
What she is, straight out of the scalp. And I'm here now, and I love her, and I don't think I'm going anywhere for a long time.
Hi, Jenny. What did you name your hair?
Just one. Because every haircut I go very short. This is like the longest for a while, but like very, No.
Come on.
I realized
Say it, what did you name your hair?
So my hair is named Royale because this is my crown, honey.
Yes. Fabulous. Shaka, what did you name your hair?
We named the hair Elroy.
I love it.
I was told it looked like red vines a long time ago. I like Red Fox, and his name was John Elroy Sanford, so I went with Elroy.
I love it. Thank you. Hope, what did you name your hair?
Her name is Sylvia.
Oh, Sylvia is looking fabulous. Quest, what did you name your hair? Quest, what did you name your hair? Larry.
Don't get Donna very upset.
What did you name your hair?
I named my hair Ocean because I wanted to get wet and I want to swim and I want to do all fun things with this because I love it, okay?
Yes.
So let's smell it and then
Okay,
let's do
okay.
it to see the little situation over here. Oh my goodness, the smell.
I love it. And then we have Donna. Everyone knows Donna. Nick, Nick.
It's not live, is it? Oh, it is.
Yes. Okay. That's it. Woo! Who do we have over here?
Mom.
We had the most in the hair as well as Nancy. Curling hair, some gel and Nancy.
Yes. And what is your hair's name, Troy?
Nancy.
Nancy. You guys